Hey there, it's Jamie from Leads Buddy. I want to help you here. I want to show you guys how you can take your business and make an extra $21,000 a month with a 17.9 profit every month. Okay. Here we are starting with a hypothetical cleaning business with a $300 product with a 0% refund rate, and the product cost is 15 bucks per customer. It's just a hypothetical situation. Your product is either less or more than that, or you have a $300 product. Um, okay, and then for your traffic, we have Facebook lead forms and we have Facebook website traffic and Google SEO traffic here. The website traffic from Facebook and Google SEO is going to an appointment form funnel. They can learn about your business, set up a phone call here to get onto your calendar, and we have a 75% sales conversion. Excuse me, my nose itches like crazy. 75% sales conversion on that phone call into your calendar. Over here from a Facebook lead ad, those forms are people are filling out. You're calling them. 50% of those people are going on your calendar as well. This was the 300 with the $300 product. All right, we simulate those numbers. They've already been simulated. This is what you're ending up with. It's 21K a month in revenue, 17.9 in profit. That's a 14x ad spend return, and you're spending about 1,400 bucks to Facebook every month. So 1,400 divided by 30, it's about 50 bucks a day in ad spend to get this type of return. So I guess the next questions would be, what kind of conversion rate are you having on this funnel? I have a 2% conversion rate on that appointment funnel.
Cool.
So 2 out of 100 people coming from the website traffic, we're putting into your account. We're putting into a phone call, and then 3 out of 4 of those people are putting on your calendar. So I think these numbers are actually pretty conservative, and some people argue 1% might be better, but if you can get 3 to 5% on a website funnel, you're doing pretty good. What that looks like on a yearly summary here is 252K in revenue, 214 in profit. So I know those numbers would help anybody and everybody. So if you need some help growing your business, you need help getting visibility online, you need help connecting to customers looking for your services, you can either reach out to me and get your own personalized demo for your business at the bottom of the page, or you can sign up for the Leads Buddy Core CRM, the software we're using with all the tools, all the AI, all the automations in place to get ads up very quickly, between 5 and 10 minutes, and get lead forms and website traffic coming into your business so that you can get some phone calls and people on your calendar very quickly. All right, God bless your day. Hopefully I can help you, and we'll talk to you soon.